For most passengers, having good mobile phone reception when traveling by train is essential. The requirements for good mobile phone reception on the trains are available. Mobile network coverage in Switzerland is very good compared to other countries. The supply of fast mobile internet is the highest in Europe at over 97%. In order for passengers to also benefit from good network coverage inside the train, SBB is using signal boosters in conjunction with the mobile network providers. The train acts like a so-called Faraday cage for the mobile phone signal. The mobile phone signal is substantially weakened or does not reach the inside of the coach due to the high absorption provided by the coach bodies and windows. In order to combat this shielding effect, SBB equips all its trains with signal boosters. The signal boosters guide the mobile phone signal both into and out of the train. Customers can access their provider's mobile phone network as usual. As an alternative to the signal boosters, new train windows are being installed that allow mobile phone signals to pass. These special windows also ensure that customers can browse the web and make phone calls without a problem, giving them direct access to their mobile phone network. With signal boosters or special windows, customers can benefit from the good network coverage offered by the mobile phone providers in Switzerland.